close the fridge. I'm hungry. Close my damn fridge. How do I get to the... Mom? What? I'm hungry. We'll eat then. Why didn't you open the fridge so I can get the food? We'll do that. Like, why did you tell me this? Okay. Excuse me. What? Nigger through? My electricity. Close the fridge. But you just said I can close it. Okay, you know what? I'm done. I don't have time for this. What are you doing? Yeah, I'm just gonna go on and pick something to eat. All that food in the fridge. You want to go out to eat? You want me to go in the fridge? You have to go in the fridge. Look how dumb you sound. Just grab what you need. I want to grab what you need out the fridge. I don't know what's in it. You want me to look? Oh, I'm sorry. My voice. I'm a little harm. Yeah, you wanted these problems. I want these problems. Now go. Yes, ma'am. Can I open the fridge?